Grayson, this is our new house. Can you say hi? You say hello? Oh! Are you excited for your new house? Oh no! Look how much room you will have to run around. Yeah. Round. Oh, the carpet is brown, yes. Brown. April 30th, 2009. Where'd Dad go? Let's go find him. Come on.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh, we can go in a big circle. Oh no. Oh no. I get you. I'm going to get you. Hi. Hi. Hello, Peekaboo. Brown. Yes, lots of brown. Brown. Tucker. How many things are there to smell? Yeah. What do you think? Are you excited? Yeah. You say, hello, new house. Good job. Brown is very brown. All right, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.